So now I have my daughter working on the other slab, and just like I did in the other one, I'm instructing her to do the same. So right now you're going to remove the rib tip. So push down on it really hard. Yeah. All the way, all the way. That side's going to be a little harder.
Yeah, because there's a bone.
Yep. Just get down in there. There you go. Come on now. Girl power. Love it. Let's see where you got. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is her first time removing the rib tip.
Like this?
And now she'll remove the skirt. Awesome. I'm going to cut off that thin piece on the end over there. There you go, baby. So basically you're going to take the paper towel and hold right here and start peeling gently until you get a big piece enough to rip. Yep. There you go. And grab mold. Yep, there you go. Hell yeah! Come on now. And there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. Ribs prepped, ready for seasoning.